Good morning. Today's March 17th, and today's refinishing project is located in Berkeley, California. All right, so today in Berkeley, we're going to be refinishing this bathtub and tile surround here. And then we have another separate bathroom that we're going to be doing the tub only in there. They replaced the surround, and we'll do the tub down there. So let's have a look at this unit. Goes all the way up to the ceiling. The tile's in pretty decent condition. It's just outdated, and of course you have these this print on here. These prints down here. Looks like they did some valve work in here and replaced the tile. And then the tub, pretty beat up. Up on here. A lot of damage up here and worn on the bottom. All right, so this is one of the bathrooms that we're going to be doing here in Berkeley. Let's go look at the other one. Okay, so here's the bathtub that we're going to be doing in the separate bathroom. And it's just really nasty down there. Couple of big chips. The surround was replaced in here. Okay, so this is the separate bathroom, and this is the bathtub that we're going to be doing. So this job here is usually 2 to 3 days to fully complete. Prepping is like 90% of it. That takes the most time. We take our time with the prepping, so it takes a bit of time to prep the tub and tile, especially, and then when we have a tub like this, it takes time to repair it, prep it out. So this is the job for today in Berkeley, California. 2 separate bathrooms, tub and tile, and a separate tub, and we'll follow up once we're done. Thanks for watching.